Hello friends, welcome to Inspire Education. Today we are going to see what a triple bottom pattern is. A triple bottom pattern is considered a bullish signal indicating a possible reversal of the current downtrend into a new uptrend. So this is a bullish signal and this is a reversal pattern. That means it marks the current trend into a new trend. A triple bottom is composed of three sharp lows all at about the same price levels. ट्रिपल बॉटम में तीन शार्प लोज होते हैं all at about the same price levels as we can see in the chart. This is the first low level, this is the second, and this is the third low level. Investors should note that the lows should be sharp. The lows should be, these three lows should be sharp, and while the lows should be sharp and distinct, the highs of the pattern can appear to be rounded. The highs, as we see, can appear to be rounded. इतने sharp नहीं है, highs are a little bit rounded here. The pattern is complete when the price rises above the highest high in the formation, as is visualized in the chart. This is the highest high of the formation of the pattern, and when the price crosses this highest high, this is the confirmation point, and here a buy signal is generated. So at this point the pattern confirms itself, the pattern is complete. The high should be fairly rounded in shape, although it is not absolutely necessary for the validity of the pattern. Highs fairly rounded होने चाहिए at these levels, but it is not at all absolutely necessary for the pattern. The triple bottom is a reversal pattern and illustrates a downtrend in the process of becoming an uptrend. ट्रिपल बॉटम जो है वो एक रिवर्सल पैटर्न है, so it should be always followed by a downtrend. It should be beginning with a downtrend, and this is the consolidation phase, and finally after the pattern completion a new trend is seen. It is therefore vital for the validity of the pattern that it commences with price moving in a downtrend. As I said, जो पैटर्न शुरू हो रहा है वो डाउन ट्रेंड से होना चाहिए, बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली इट्स अ बुलिश सिग्नल एंड इट इज कन्वर्टिंग इनटू अ करंट अप ट्रेंड. जनरली वॉल्यूम्स इन अ ट्रिपल बॉटम टेंड्स टू ट्रेंड डाउनवर्ड्स एज द पैटर्न फॉर्म्स. जैसे जैसे पैटर्न फॉर्म हो रहा है वी कैन सी डिमिनिशिंग वॉल्यूम्स during the pattern formation. Volume tends to be lighter on each successive low. हर successive low पे at this lows volumes are lighter, showing that कि the sellers are not that aggressive and therefore the price retraces back itself, and volume then picks up as the price rises above the confirmation point. जैसे ही confirmation point पे pattern confirm होता है उस point से price जाता है. Volume also gives a breakout showing that buyers are aggressive enough to bring a new trend into the market, and finally a new uptrend is seen. There's some important characteristics which of the pattern that we see. The first is the first is duration. It usually takes longer than other patterns to develop. Longer the pattern takes to form, the greater is this significance. जितना समय इस पैटर्न को फॉर्म होने में लगता है उतनी ही उस पैटर्न की सिग्निफिकेंस होती है. Then there is need for a downtrend. It is a reversal pattern and therefore there is a need for a downtrend before the pattern begins itself. Pullback, very common in triple bottom patterns. It is very common in triple bottom patterns to see a pullback, a slight pullback after the price actually crosses the threshold levels. एक pullback आता है, so it does not mean that it is a false signal. एक pullback is common, it is retracement from the current levels. Then the next point is symmetry. Investors looking for a valid triple bottom should be wary of a pattern that should have a lot of white space between. As it is developing, the pattern should display a fairly regular progression among the three well separated lows. So there should be a symmetry in the pattern. There are some criteria that support the support and resistance levels. If found at these levels, टारगेट लेवल्स पे अगर सपोर्ट एंड लेवल रेजिस्टेंस मिलते हैं तो दैट इज सपोर्टिंग क्राइटेरिया. दिस पैटर्न शुड बी फॉर्मिंग बिलो द मूविंग एवरेज. अगर शॉर्ट टर्म पैटर्न फॉर्म हो रहा है तो बिलो द 50-day मूविंग एवरेज, एंड इफ इट इज लॉन्ग टर्म पैटर्न विच इज फॉर्म बिलो 200-day मूविंग एवरेज. There should be volume spike, and other patterns such as bullish engulfing and islands that occurs at the peaks and valleys indicate strong resistance at those points. The presence of these patterns inside a triple bottom is a supporting criteria for the pattern. अगर दूसरे patterns भी form होते हैं इस patterns के साथ तो that is a supporting criteria for the pattern. So this is all about triple bottom pattern. I hope I have made myself clear. If you have any queries regarding this pattern, you can anytime log on to www.inspireeducation.in. Thank you so much.